Yeah, can't dim the fire. No matter the pressure, no matter the rain, one flame still burning. I've seen kingdoms rise and fall, laws get written just to cage us all. But deep in the rhythm, the people know you can't stop truth when it starts to grow. They try to ban the herb, erase the sound, but roots run deep beneath the ground. From the streets to the hills, we keep returning. Feel it in your chest, one flame still burning, one flame still burning, soul to soul. Through every storm and every control, one flame still burning, bright and free. You can't kill the fire that lives in me. Babylon builds with fear and chains, but love don't live in diamond rings. We rise with rhythm, light and smoke, speak with the power they thought was broke. This ain't no trend, it's blood and bone, a rebel spirit that walks alone. And when they try to keep us from learning, we blaze up higher, one flame still burning, one flame still burning, soul to soul. Through every storm and every control, one flame still burning, bright and free. You can't kill the fire that lives in me. Light it up, don't let it die. Pass it on, watch it multiply. Truth don't fade when the winds are turning. We hold the spark, one flame still burning, still burning, still rising, still blazing. Now I sit with my spliff and pen, singing words they can't silence again. This ain't just fire, it's how we heal, how we remember what they try to steal. So light one up for the ones we've lost, for every soul that paid the cost. And let them know we ain't unlearning. The vibe lives on, one flame still burning, one flame still burning, soul to soul. Through every storm and every control, one flame still burning, bright and free. You can't kill the fire that lives in me. Yeah, this fire was never yours to put out. This flame lives in the drum, in the smoke, in the hearts of the people. Still burning. Light one, let go of it all. Curtains half open, sun coming slow. I roll my piece in a sacred flow, grinding the green like a quiet song. The word outside still moving wrong. First pull deep, let the silence land. Thoughts melt down like grains of sand. Eyes half closed, I watch the glow, feeling lighter. Light one, let go. Light one, let go. Breathe in the sky. Let the moment pass, don't ask why. Light one, let go. Float real low. Nothing to fix, nothing to know. No more news, no crowded mind, just me and the smoke, perfectly timed. Don't need music, don't need words. The flame speaks truths I've always heard. Ash falls slow on the edge of my knee. This kind of quiet sets you free. No highs, no lows, just a steady flow. Every time I light one, I let go. Light one, let go. Breathe in the sky. Let the moment pass, don't ask why. fall soft through the lavender shade. Last pull slow as the daylight fades. I thank the flame, I thank the leaf, for simple silence, for gentle relief. No crowd, no show, no need to grow. I'm full enough when I let go. Light one, let go. Breathe in the sky. Let the moment pass. Don't ask why. Light one, let go. Float real low. Nothing to fix, nothing to know. Yeah. Just light one and let it all go. Woke up slow with nothing to chase. Steam from my cup, sun on my face. World keeps running like it's falling behind, but I just move with a barefoot mind. No shoes, no walls, no set routine. Just green in my lungs and thoughts real clean. The more I lose, the more I find. Peace walks better with a barefoot mind. Barefoot mind, grounded and free. Feeling the dirt, feeling the breeze. Barefoot mind, simple and clear. No need to run, I'm already here. I'm already here. No gold watch, no tight plan. I trust the road and I trust the land. Every stone tells a softer tale. Every pause fills my inner sail. People rush for things they don't need, trying to feed a flame that don't stop to breathe. But I don't grind, I don't rewind. I just live slow with a barefoot mind. Barefoot mind, grounded and free. Feeling the dirt, feeling the breeze. Barefoot mind, simple and clear. No need to run, I'm already here. I'm already here. Lighter, softer, step by step. Closer, deeper, no regret. Slower, wiser, let it unwind. Feel the truth with your barefoot mind. Now the moon leans low on the quiet field. My thoughts laid down, my soul is healed. Ash in the tray, stars in line. I walk through dreams with a barefoot mind. No final goal, no finish sign. Just one breath at a time. So when I leave, don't leave me blind. Just say he walked free with a barefoot mind. Barefoot mind, grounded and free. Feeling the dirt, feeling the breeze. Barefoot mind, simple and clear. No need to run, I'm already here. high on peace, not caught in the game. Neighbors rushing, caught in the spin, but I just grin and breathe it in. Got no crown, no rules to pull, just a quiet mind and a glass half full. Glass half full, I'm doing fine, sipping slow on this little life of mine. Glass half full, don't need more, what I got is what I'm grateful for. Raindrops hit the rooftop tin, and I hear music where noise has been. Every moment feels like a gift, every spark gives my soul a lift. The world says go, but I say stay, and light one up to fade the gray. I've got no script, I've got no rule, just vibes and love and a glass half full. Glass half full, I'm doing fine, sipping slow on this little life of mine. Glass half full, don't need more, what I got is what I'm grateful for. Brighter, lighter, no disguise, simple, steady, open eyes. Higher, wiser, take it cool, you see more with a glass half full. Night rolls in with a lavender tone, crickets sing while I sit alone. But alone feels good when your heart's at rest and your mind don't race, just feels blessed. I don't count what's lost, just what's near, like breath, like rhythm, like love right here. Let the fire burn, let the smoke pull, one more smile for the glass half full. Glass half full, I'm doing fine, sipping slow on this little life of mine. Glass half full, don't need more, what I got is what I'm grateful for. Yeah. Don't wait for more, sometimes enough is already there. Chase the prize, but I'm up high where the stillness lies. Roll one slow, tune the pressure out, let the flame answer what they scream about. I don't rush, I don't compete, I find my rhythm in this wooden seat. Ash on the table, sun on my chest, nothing above smoke over stress. Smoke over stress, that's how I cope, floating through the madness on a thread of hope. Smoke over stress, breathing in peace, feeling the weight of the world release. Used to drown in the noise and fear, now I burn slow and see things clear. They want more, I want less. They want noise, I want rest. Every pull is a little retreat, every exhale makes the loop complete. A quiet mind, so well dressed, I walk this life with smoke over stress. Smoke over stress, that's how I cope, floating through the madness on a thread of hope. Smoke over stress, breathing in peace, feeling the weight of the world release. Burn slow, think light, fade out what ain't right. Stay close to your breath, put smoke over all that stress. Now the night comes choose rest. Feet on the ground, smoke over stress. Smoke over stress, that's how I cope. Floating through the madness on a thread of hope. Smoke over stress, breathing in peace. Feeling the weight of the world release. Yeah, the world can spin fast, but I stay slow. Smoke first, worry less. Yeah. They talk a lot, but I light it anyway. Wake up slow, world still out. Same old rules, same old crowd. They tell me don't, they say you can, but they don't live where my roots plant. Roll it calm, fire it clean. One little leaf, big routine. Let them watch, let them say I feel good, I light it anyway. Light it anyway, don't let go. Breathe in deep, let the whole world slow. Light it anyway, rain or shine. They don't own this peace of mind. I don't need no fancy stage. I get free with smoke and sage. They chase gold, I chase grace. Found my truth in a quiet place. Laugh if they want, judge if they may. I stay grounded, I light it anyway. Light it anyway, don't let go. Breathe in deep, let the whole world slow. Light it anyway, rain or shine. They don't own this peace of mind. Yeah, I feel fine. I light it anyway. Eyes half closed, smoke in the air. Feet on the ground, no weight to bear. They point fingers, they always will. But I found peace and it feels real still. Talk too loud, judge too fast. They don't know what I let go of in the past. I ain't angry, I just live with skill. So if I play slow, don't tell me to chill. Don't tell me to chill, I'm already high. Floating on rhythm, watch me touch the sky. Don't tell me to chill, I don't need a pill. I light one up and I feel what's real. Yeah, don't tell me to chill. back while the truth unfolds. Breathing fire, exhale peace. My kind of calm ain't never on lease. No suit, no tie, no desk, no drill. Just one flame and a will to feel. They call it lazy, I call it skill. So if I slow dance, don't tell me to chill. Don't tell me to chill, I'm already high. Walking on clouds under open sky. Don't tell me to chill, I don't need a thrill. I light one up and I move uphill. Yeah. Don't tell me to chill. I'm just not rushing, I'm not weak, I'm just not bluffing. This is my fire, this is my still. So light it up and don't tell me to chill. Don't tell me to chill.